tuition, coaching. These are one of the very few words that every Indian can speak if he is able to speak. Because of its craziness, of its craze, students go to tuition classes just to seek more knowledge than they gain in school. Teachers to play a very important role in the industry. If we look at it 20 years back, there were tuition classes, but that were limited to some competitions such as competitive exams that conducted by UPSC or state governments, and some of the prestigious competitions like JEE and NEET that are crazy still today. But nowadays we can see that where students tend to go join tuition classes from a very young age. From 3 to 4 years old, a student goes to tuition classes to seek extra education. And many of us thought that this is a positive side, that they stay away from social media for that much time and learn some new things that he or she can not learn at home or by himself or herself. And every parent think that his or her child should get best of resources for study, and education is important in every aspect, and he should be hand in hand with all of his classmates are doing. And if he is a genius, he is a duffer, no matter what is that, if everybody of his class is doing tuition, then he should join it. This is the normal mentality of every parent that sends his or her child to school not tuition classes. There is no wrong way of thinking of parents, but they should understand that they are just lacking from some responsibility and just making a mindset of child that he can do anything by himself or herself, that he can't learn things from himself. If he had to make some, then he should seek a mentor. If he had to have some grammar knowledge, then he should seek a mentor. He just can't read by himself or write by himself. He just have to seek information from a teacher, from a tuition teacher. This is the mentality that he is going to adapt later on if he turn back the pages of his or her life. This is a very new and technological world which is changing every day and every now and then. Every second there are lots of inventions going on, and the future will be just bright if we have the brightest present. And we always find that every field needs creative people, and creative people can't just come from the people who just follow each other. You may get influence from a successful person, a person who is highly reputed in his own field, but you have to be creative in your own way. You can just get influenced by somebody else, but you have to make the right decisions and right choices to be creative and to be creative from your inside. And creative people will be treated only when they gain knowledge, not just from teachers but also from books, not only academic books but also non-academic books, that is self-help and personal growth books, and also from the trainers, motivational speakers and the leaders of the world. They too teach us life skills and the skills required for a particular industry. This video is not meant to just comment against tuition classes, but because we need teachers in every now and then of our life, because we are students forever and we need just teachers. He or she may be little than us, maybe in terms of age he will be smaller than us, but we can't just ignore him just because he is less in age than us. We can still learn many things from him. The main problem with tuition classes is that students tend to expect everything should be coming from the teacher's side. Suppose if a teacher is going to teach addition tomorrow, then a student is expected to come with some basic knowledge of what it means. But a student expects that he should be given from a basic level to expert level from his teacher side. The teacher should be able, the teacher will give him all the concepts, all the examples and all the problems related to the topic which can be asked in any exam. That is not possible, because if a teacher gets concentrated on a single topic, then how can he cover the whole syllabus that he has just to end in a particular semester or particular year? That this is not possible. A teacher's aim is just to make a subject interesting and creative in a very means the student should get it in a very interesting way. And if the main motto of student is the teacher is the student should get more knowledge than he himself has, and if a student doesn't understand this, then there is no meaning in getting the tuition from the most reputed institutes of the world. Tuitions are important because we can't just ignore the immense effort that takes place by the institutions and the teachers to make the best quality education to the children. And they also provide notes and some motivational seminars to keep them going. We can't just ignore them. But if 9 out of 15 students of your class are going to a tuition, then it doesn't mean that you should join him just because to be in contact with them or to be on timeline with them. You can be ahead if you have that dedication in yourself, and you should do it at least once to check your capability. So thank you for listening.